What's up, guys? Welcome back to Timberland Outdoors, and today I'm at the barn with my couple-month-old baby donkey, Honey Bun, and she is very much an attention seeker, and she really likes to be pet. Come on, honey, let's go. Come on, honey. Let's go, honey. And she likes to run a lot. So we got some treats for her, and we'll get some clips of filming her. It's just watermelon, and we'll get some clips of feeding them in a second. So we'll catch y'all when we start feeding them.
So right here, I'm feeding the pig Pam, and Pam's scared of Honey Bun, so Honey Bun likes to mess with her. And then we're gonna go feed the boys watermelon.
Their water's still full. Come here, Bubba. Daniel, come here. Honey, come here. Honey Bun. Come here. Alright, so now we're in the boys' pen, and they have so much grass and a bale of hay, so they get a little bit of food too. Alright, so that's it for feeding all the barn animals. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, peace.